Dylan Thompson Chase Motorsports Coach and Trailer Sales, Paducah, Kentucky. Today we've got a 2022 Renegade Verona LE. This is the 37 LMB model. So 37 foot, triple slide. It's got the L9 Cummins 360 horsepower engine in it with the Allison 6-speed. Folks, this is what you call big coach amenities packed into a short coach. Literally, that's it. It's got all of the amenities and the features that you would see in a big coach, but it's packed into a smaller package. So it's perfect for the couple that's traveling. It does have the theater seating in it. Of course, that could be swapped out for a sofa with a hide-a-bed or a jackknife sofa if you needed more sleeping. But 10,900 miles, 2022 model, only 24 hours on the Onan 8,000 watt diesel generator. So full body paint, AquaHot, automatic leveling, thermal pane windows. This little guy's got it all. 2022 Renegade Verona LE 37 LMB. Very, very, very neat model. Oh, and 20,000 pound hitch. So, you know, that's something that you typically don't see on a coach of this length. So 20,000 pound hitch. I really don't know what else to say about it other than it's super, super, super neat. Again, lots of big coach features packed into a smaller package. It's got the Girard lateral arm awning coming off the top there. As you can see, it's got the outdoor entertainment system. I think I mentioned AquaHot, as you'll see in the photos in one of the bays there. L9 Cummins 360 horsepower with Allison 6-speed. This little guy will move. Lots of power, big towing capacity, good sized diesel generator, keyless entry. It's got central vac in it. I'm just kind of going through a list of things in my head that I can remember. Porcelain tile floor, as you can see. Look how shiny that guy is. As you come in, we'll spin around. Full-size stainless Samsung fridge. Nice cabinetry throughout it. The TV does sink down into the cabinet, so it's on an electric televator. Got a little booth dinette for two, super comfy. A little storage in the bottoms of them. Garmin in-dash navigation, 10,903 miles to be exact. Both sets of original keys and all the original owner's manuals are included. This one's set up again with a theater seating, but this also raises up so you could, you know, technically set two adults and a child or three smaller adults on it. Over here, the little dinette area, we got a 2-burner true induction cooktop, Samsung stainless microwave. Got the larger sink, tiled backsplash, 2 roof airs on this one, so plenty of AC for the size of the coach. Oh, washer and dryer, that's something I did not mention. So, and it's the split system. It's not the all-in-one combo, but you got the washer on the bottom, and up here you got the dryer. So washer and dryer already installed in the bathroom. Just got the large mid bath, so you got the shower with a glass enclosure and the skylight over it. And then spin around here, we've got one of the macerator Seni Marin toilets there. So it's got the Renegade multiplex system, so you can literally run everything from this tablet or from your phone. You can download an app and it shows you generator hours, water pump, your tank levels, battery voltage, your AquaHot. I mean, literally can control the lights, everything from right here. So in the bedroom, you got a king size bed. It's one of the Ortho iRelax mattresses, so one of the nicer mattresses that you'll see in a coach like this. But again, the Verona LE, you're getting better cabinetry, just overall better construction. Spin around so you can see that. TV in the master bedroom back here. Got a little pocket door that splits them. So again, if you're looking for that big coach feel, lots of big coach features, this is it. If you're wanting a shorter, we get calls all the time. Hey man, do you have anything 38 to 40 foot. Me and the wife want to travel, but we don't want 45 foot. It's just me and her, and we rarely get these. So this one happened to come on trade, actually towards a 45 foot coach. The folks needed a little more space, and so this one came on trade towards a 45 footer. But 2022, 10,900 miles. Give me a shout if I can help you. 270-556-8461. Dylan Thompson, Chase Motorsports, Coach and Trailer Sales, Paducah, Kentucky. We deliver nationwide. We offer financing, very competitive rates and terms, and we do take trades too. So anything we can help you with, please give me a shout, and I'll do my best to accommodate whatever you're needing. Dylan Thompson, Chase Motorsports, Coach and Trailer Sales, coming to you from Paducah, Kentucky. Thanks for watching.